A slowdown in Chinese consumer demand is weighing on U.S. companies this earnings season. For more on that, we want to bring in China Beige Book COO Shehzad Qazi. And Shehzad, thanks for joining us.
Thank you.
We know about the pressures that this has put on some of the luxury goods companies in particular. What else are you seeing? What's the real story on the ground?
Yeah, well, I think I want to start by saying that there was this belief that somehow Chinese consumers are going to have a blowout 2024 at the beginning of the year, which was really misplaced. I mean, it was never going to happen. The reality is Chinese retail spending is now falling apart. If you look at sectors like the airlines, travel sector, hospitality, especially in the summer, they've actually done quite well. The problem is that the data has just been so choppy. This is not a consistent sort of spending pattern that you're getting here, that it's leaving a lot of companies with sort of this China hole in their earnings statements and so forth.
We were just talking with Contessa about Lowe's earnings, and Lowe's and Home Depot pointed to the weakness in the U.S. consumer, the idea that especially for big ticket items, especially for things that maybe they fixed up a lot during the pandemic, there's not going to be a huge demand for it. How does that compare to what you see in China?
Yeah, I mean, if you look at China, it's the retail brands, especially the foreign ones, that have been complaining because, as they say, they're not only seeing a soft consumer spending report sort of out of the country, but they're also losing to local competition, whether it's the McDonald's and the Starbucks of the world, the foreign hotel chains like the Marriott of the world. So that's kind of where the challenge is if you leave the luxury sector. But if you look at car sales, we're starting to see some weakness in car sales as well. That's another sector that's suffering.
In the past, China's kind of always stepped in and offered stimulus packages to get the consumer up and spending again. Why is that not helping, or is it not happening this time?
Yeah, that's been another big market miss once again. First of all, we need to establish they're not interested in coming in with big stimulus plans, juicing the housing rescue plan and so forth. That is no longer the economic model, nor is that the target. The idea is, what can we do to maintain a floor under the growth? They're not looking for blowout GDP numbers either. And that is what's defining sort of this very limited stimulus from a fiscal side that you're getting.
Well, they are focused on industrial spending. I mean, that's been a big concern if you listen to the Treasury Secretary or basically anybody on Capitol Hill. This idea that they are building industrial excess and that we are going to suffer as a result.
Yeah, they have absolutely doubled down on the manufacturing and the industrial sector. She calls it the new productive forces. And that is a very national security-driven lens that is driving economic policy. How do you become a real player in high-tech manufacturing? And how do you, of course, decouple from the United States? Something we don't often talk about. China is looking to decouple from the West, and especially the United States, quite a lot. It's not just the U.S. looking to do the decoupling.
So what can we expect with an election coming? How is China looking at these two candidates and these two potential administrations?
I think the difference is that if you get a Harris presidency, it's going to be similar to a Biden presidency, slow ratcheting up of tensions, but certainly going to be more tensions down the road, versus a Trump presidency where you get this sort of chaotic avalanche of policy changes, much more disruptive, of course, from the Chinese perspective if you've got a Trump presidency than if you have a Harris presidency. I think a key player, if there's a Harris presidency, is going to be Congress. I think Congress is getting ramped up to have a much more aggressive China legislative agenda than markets have been used to.
Not the vice president. The public school teacher's been to China 30 times.
Right.
Why?
Well, he's got a background that a lot of people think could be a strength of his, but I think a lot of folks on the Hill are going to be asking that exact question and saying, look, Republicans are going to paint the Democrats as being soft in China for 4 years if they lose the election. So the vice president nominee is going to have to work really hard to pull that off as a strength, because right now, of course, it's coming off as a weakness, especially as the other side is concerned.